going to need a lot more of those, but it's I think it's 11 o'clock or something now. So I'm going to go. I'm going to pack up, knock everything off, put all my tools away, and start again in the morning. So it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from him, David Selendine. So that's the show so far. Woo. So I'm going to go now. So if we take this off here, put that back in there. Glove can go on there. Right then. So, where's it gone? I need to do probably the same again of those things there, which are the in the real flower, the stamen. They're the productive bits. So, yes, I'm going to go disappear into the dark and go back to my house. So,